Hey guys, welcome back. So, some exciting news. I was able to make a deal with a very good friend about his basement. And there's a lot of work that needs to be done here. But, you know, property in New York City is pretty expensive, even for a basement, for square footage. So we're probably looking at anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500 a month just to rent a basement in Brooklyn. So I was able to secure a deal and fix it up, and it's mine for as long as, however long I need it or want it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to knock down all this. I don't even know what this stuff is called. Looks like tin. Probably from the 40s or 50s, but as you can see, it's all rusted. It's, you know, the top of the ceiling is just basically mush. We're going to break it all down and get crack-a-lacking. So let's get it started. Always, mask. God knows what's in this. I don't want to be a part of whatever it is. Well, I can't smoke with a mask now, can I? It's just stuck there. Sure, my mom will be happy when she sees me chuck a cigarette on the floor. If you're watching, Mom, I love you. That's up, son. You put it over there. Oh, no, put it on top. This is wet. No, on top of the chair. This is wet compound. All right, guys, here we go. All right, so I love you. I can rip it with my hand. It's not that strong. You gotta be careful with this water line. It's a heating line. The door's getting changed anyway. Not a big deal. You're going to get glasses. Well, Buster Milwaukee. So this is what it looks like up here. We have a lot of work, boys and girls, to get this basement up and running. So I hope you guys can see everything. It's a very hard angle to get you guys to see anything. I don't know what's in this pipe. The last one there was nothing in there. It's just an empty pipe. It's so rusted and so, I don't even know what was the purpose of this. Yeah. 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 Mother of Christ. I believe everything should be done in sections. I don't believe you should knock down the whole ceiling and have one big pile of garbage. I think knock down one section, pick the garbage up, move to the next section, pick the garbage up, and keep doing that routine. Because knocking this whole thing down, forget about it. Ain't doing that. Too much work. It's like doing triple work all at one time. Then you can't walk, you're breathing in all the dust, nothing has time to clear out. My dad always taught me that a pizza should be cut into 8 slices. Don't try to eat it with 4.
This, my dad, is a great man. He lost his life to cancer. Something I never saw coming. I don't think anybody saw it coming. My dad was such a strong, willful man. Powerful in the mind. And cancer, it just took him down to nothing. I think less than 2 years, my dad was gone. Before his passing. Because back then I was a different type of person. I read too many things just for my head. But I had a really good mother and father. Even when I got in trouble, my mom and my father, they never criticized me. They always said, son, you messed up, you made a mistake. Well, you gotta learn from that. You gotta do better. One problem is in my head, I didn't think like that. I thought I always had a mom that wanted to bail me out, so I could do whatever I wanted to do. That's not how it is in life. In life, you gotta respect everybody, live in the universe. But as we get older, we get wiser. When that happens, well, we get better. You want to talk about dirt? Thank you.